Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use labels to categorize your tasks in Todoist, your complete guide for 2025. First up, we need to create a label. Hover over the Labels tab on the left sidebar and click on the plus that appears. Type in your label name and hit Enter. The reason we do this is to sort our tasks into specific categories, making it easier to see what needs to be done in each area of our lives or work. Now that we've done that, it's time to apply these labels to our tasks. Go to a task you've created, click on it, and you'll see an option to add a label. Select the label you've just created from the drop-down menu. This helps us because it allows us to associate our tasks directly with a specific label, making it easier to find and manage them later. Next up, let's see how we can filter our tasks by labels. Go to the top of the page and click on the search bar. Type @ followed by the name of your label. This will bring up all tasks associated with that label. This step is crucial as it helps us quickly view and manage all tasks under a specific label rather than having to sift through a long list of tasks. You can also use labels to prioritize your tasks. When creating or editing a task, add a label like @high priority or @urgent. This allows you to instantly see tasks that need your immediate attention, helping you manage your time and workload more efficiently. Lastly, remember that you can add multiple labels to a single task. This is especially useful when a task fits into several categories or when you need to track a task across different projects or contexts. And there you have it. That's how to use labels to categorize your tasks in Todoist, your complete guide for 2025. With these steps, you'll be organizing your tasks like a pro, saving yourself time and making your to-do list far more manageable. Thanks for tuning in, and that's a wrap for today's tutorial. Remember, the key is to keep your tasks organized and labeled correctly. Until next time, happy task managing.